You want to take the shot? You ready?
When it comes to zeroing a thermal scope, almost every single one of them is the same, but they're very easy. It's a one-shot zero, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into the reticle zeroing menu, and you're gonna aim at the target, and you're gonna shoot. Once it shoots, you're then gonna aim back at where you were aimed initially, and you're gonna freeze that image. So once you freeze that image, you're then gonna go down into the settings, and you're gonna move that reticle to your point of impact, and then once you have it at that point of impact, you're gonna save it, and then you're gonna be done. It's gonna be zeroed, that simple. Before we zero this in, one thing that I haven't mentioned is that you have two focus points, so you can adjust this right here, move it around, and then this is gonna be your primary focus adjustment on the fly. And so you can take it, you can zoom it in, zoom it out, and dial that focus in. So that right there is gonna be the focus. I'm gonna go ahead and navigate to the reticles and go ahead and turn my reticle back on. I'm a very simple guy. I like the simple little cross there as my reticle, and I like it in red. Again, it's got multiple options for you. We're gonna navigate to the reticle zeroing, and then we are gonna take our first shot. You can see here at the top, it has zeroing profile. So you can click that and you can go A, B, C, all the way down through Z. So we're gonna leave it as A. Again, once we shoot, we're gonna freeze that image, and then we're gonna move that X and Y axis around, and then we're gonna save it. So first thing to do is load up the gun and go ahead and take that first shot dead on the target. I'm gonna go ahead and freeze that while I have it hot. Okay, see, it's frozen, and we can see our point of impact is down in the bottom left. So we're gonna click the menu button, and then we're gonna start to move this over. So once you have it in line, that right there looks like it is gonna be in line. That's gonna be a little left, and that's gonna be a little to the right. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on there. We're gonna navigate down to the Y, and then lower it down to our impact point. So now once you have it down, you're gonna just navigate to the save, and you are gonna save it, and then you have it zeroed in. So what we'll do now is we'll back out and just make sure that it hits where we want it to. So when you're using that reflective HVAC tape, it's gonna be difficult to see your impact when it's through the center, but you're gonna be able to see it all around it. So anytime that you're zeroing a thermal scope, you wanna use that reflective HVAC kind of aluminum looking tape. That way you can see it reflect in the daytime.
You see him? Yep. That's a hard shot, so let's just give it a second. He's sit down. See if you see any other ones. You want to take the shot? You ready? On the th. 1, 2, 3.
Double.
Good hit.